Was that fun? I know, right? It was indeed a fun day at Pyramid Lake. Hello, Mom Shibas and Pop Shibas. Welcome for another episode of Fun and Adventure at the Blissful Wanderers. Come, join us as we explore trails at Pyramid in Jasper National Park. The Pyramid Lake takes 15 to 20 minutes drive from the downtown area. We are taking advantage of how lovely the weather is, as well as the wide array of activities we can do with the Bam Bam in Jasper National Park. I don't want another injury, so I've used my knee stabilizer support for better snowshoeing today. Because not even a knee injury will stop us from having fun with our family.
Snowshoeing again.
Yay! We made it to the red chair. That means it's time for snacks! There are 102 red chairs that can be found around Canada in its selected national parks and historic sites. Parks Canada has placed those red chairs for you to connect with nature in the country's most unique and treasured places, as well as for you to rest after a stroll or a hike, and at the same time for you to relax and truly discover the best that Parks Canada has to offer with friends and families. The best things in life are the people you love, the places you go, and the memories you make. At these moments, we are not only making memories with our children, but at the same time, our children making memories with their cousins. Oh, did you have some childhood memories as well? Look at that beauty. Isn't that magnificent? Pyramid Mountain is beautiful in all season. And we are so blessed to have created wonderful memories in front of this majestic mountain.
How's your knee? Good?
And you can go further if you want, but because we have some children with us, that's the end of our adventure. We're gonna go back now to the parking lot, but you can go further if you like, okay? After the red chair. You can go all the way from there. There's some trails that you can go further. For now, good thing the children had strong mama and a strong auntie. Go, 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 auntie! Look at their faces. They're really having a great time. Way to go, auntie! the parking lot. Yay!
Did you guys have fun? Thank you. You said thanks.
Creating memories with our children does not have to be anything that's grand and expensive. Just go out and enjoy your backyard and deposit memories in their hearts and minds. We hope that you guys enjoyed this episode as we enjoyed exploring the trails at Pyramid. And if you did, please like and subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you can join us for more fun and adventures at the Blissful Wonder Camp. See you again next week. Bye!